In this video, I'll guide you through how to search jobs on Indeed. Whether you're starting a brand new career or just seeing what else is out there, understanding how to use the main search tools will make your job hunt faster, more focused, and a lot less stressful. Let's start from the home dashboard, which is the main page you see when you open Indeed. This is your central hub, and the key feature you'll be using here is the search bar at the top of the page. Think of this search bar as the command center for your job search. Everything begins here. First, you'll want to click into the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you enter what kind of job you're looking for. You can type in a specific job title like project manager, a broader keyword such as marketing, or the name of a company you're interested in. If you're not sure exactly what title to use, start with a general keyword related to your skills or industry. For example, if you work with data but aren't sure of the exact title, you might type in data or analytics and see what comes up. You can always refine it later. As you type, pay attention to any suggestions that appear. These can help you discover titles or roles you may not have considered but still match your background. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. The goal is simply to give Indeed enough information to start finding relevant roles for you. Next, you'll see an area where you can add a location. This is helpful if you want to focus your search on a particular city, region, or country. You might enter a city name like New York, or simply use your current location if you're looking for something nearby. If you're open to remote work, you can type remote as the location or leave this field blank and apply location filters later. Just remember that adding a location helps narrow the results so you're not overwhelmed with jobs that aren't geographically relevant to you. Once you've entered your job title, keyword, or company name and added a location if needed, you're ready to launch your search. Go ahead and click the Find Jobs button. This tells Indeed to scan its listings and bring back results that match what you've entered. After you click Find Jobs, you'll be taken to a page with a list of job postings based on those search terms and location. From here, you can start reviewing the results, opening individual postings to read more, and adjusting your search terms if you're not seeing what you want. If your results feel too broad, try using a more specific job title or narrowing your location. If they feel too limited, try a more general keyword or remove extra words that might be restricting the search. To recap the process from the home dashboard, use the search bar at the top of the page, type in a job title, keyword, or company name, add a location if you want to focus on a particular area, and then click Find Jobs to see your results. Getting comfortable with this simple flow will make every future job search on Indeed smoother and more effective.